Hey everyone, welcome to a new video of Campus Placement. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the IBM of Campus Drive. About IBM India, IBM's purpose is to be essential to our clients, to the world, and one another, and we are confident that together as IBMers, we will drive this purpose. Joining IBM is about joining the culture of openness, teamwork, trust, and the invitation and expectation to have a voice. At IBM, work is more than a job. It's a calling to build, to design, to code, to consult, to think along with the customers and sell, to make markets, to invest, to collaborate, not just to do something better, but to attain things you have never thought possible. Are you ready to lead in this new era of technology and solve some of the world's most challenging problems? If yes, let's talk. So this is introduction about the IBM. Now let us see the in detail the eligibility criteria. So the job role is of associate technical engineer. Primary location is across India, so they have not mentioned a specific location. Job type is college graduate. Eligibility criteria is B or BTech. Ex- Experience needed is of freshers. Now let us look at the educational qualification. You must have a BE, BTech or MCA degree in the following branches. First is the computer science and engineering, information technology, information science, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, applied electronics and instrumentation, electrical engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, electronics and instrumentation and control. These are all the branches that are eligible. So they have also mentioned the required technical and professional expertise. First is the environment. Professional knowledge related to your KRS that requires you to demonstrate the ability to absorb professional knowledge quickly and develop skills related to technical, functional, software, and soft skills. Communication or negotiation. Draw upon professional concepts to collaborate with others to carry out assigned duties. Problem solving. Recognize job related problems. Analyze causes using existing technologies or tools. Prepare and recommend solution alternatives. Challenge the validity of given procedures and process with the intent to enhance and improve. Now let us look at the preferred technical and professional experience, contribution or leadership, work on professional projects. Work is often reviewed for development purposes. Undertake the standard mission of the professional group and vision in own area or competence may directly influence people in own project, impact on business or scope, accountable for individual or team results. You can contribute by supporting activities that are subject to business measurements, impact customer happiness, or impact immediate costs or expenses. Feasibility and willingness to work across technologies and job locations based on business need of the hour. Ambitious individual who can work under their own direction towards agreed targets or goals with creative approach to work. Intuitive individual with an ability to manage change and proven time management. Proven interpersonal skills while contributing to the team effort by accomplishing related results as needed. Up to date technical knowledge by attending educational workshops and reviewing publications. So, this is the official notification page. You can go through this page. I will give the link in the description. You can go here to apply jobs. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you have got the idea about the job description, and also I will give the link of their website so that you can directly go to their website and search various job opportunities. And please do subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.